This is Eugenia Kurz, aka Grandma Jean. She was born in Canada on July 16, 1920. Eventually, she and her family ended up in Baraga, Michigan. Here, she graduated high school, received teaching certificates, and began a family of her own. This story is just a small snippet of a thoroughly lived lifetime. Eugenia was a miniaturist, and the largest dollhouse at the History Center belongs to her. Containing 14 rooms, she decorated and modeled the house after her childhood home in Baraga. What we are seeing in this video is an additional art gallery by Eugenia. Following her passion for art and miniatures, Eugenia hand-painted these replicas of master works. She also created replicas of her and her son's work, Patrick St. Germain, on the far left wall. Strong magnification, a fine brush, and plenty of patience went into her pieces. The miniatures are made just like a real painting, starting with stretching the canvas and finishing with a handmade frame and wire for hanging. Eugenia died in April of 2014. According to her obituary, all who knew her agreed that she was fiercely independent, had a very sharp mind, and was full of spunk.